Hello friend, welcome. This is our Android chess project written in Kotlin. So far we already print out a chessboard with 32 pieces, right? And now we can take a break of our model side work. And so in this video, let's try to create a view for our game board. Okay, so we'll render the view here on our emulator. Wow, it's stuck to my finger. Okay, I don't know why it is stuck to my cursor for such a long time. That's a problem. Yeah, that is annoying. Okay, now let's create our view, our chess view, and we'll put it inside here. Okay, so currently our view is this guy, is constraint layout. This is the view. Okay, so we'll replace this view using our new view. Okay, now we'll create a view here, new Kotlin class, chess view, class. Okay, so we'll add this to Git. Sure. So our view is the subclass of view, this guy. Okay, now what does it complain? Change to constructor invocation. Okay, now what? Redundant. Wait a minute. Undo. Is there any other? So view. Is there any other suggestion here? Add Android view constructor using add constructor parameters from view. Yeah, let's use this one. Okay, so now we can now let's replace that view using our view. So we need the full qualified class name, this one dot ChessView, to replace this guy. Okay, so let's make a copy of this guy here and go to here, and we'll replace this one with it's already pop up. You see, after I press the less than angle. Okay, so now this one so we need to specify the namespace of that here, and the layout. We need the layout, and like that. So this is our own view. Okay, now we don't need that. Get rid of these things. Okay, save it and try it again. Stop and run. We don't have anything here. let's try to use another constructor here. So this one, to use the view create initialized using the XML file, we should use the other constructor. So let's do it like that. Class, this one, view, right? Now wait for this suggestion here. Wait a minute. So class, view, yeah, here. Let's use this one because we'll accept an argument of attribute set here. So when we created the view, initialize the view from the XML file. So now if we run it, we should be able to see an empty screen on the emulator. Wow, it sticks to my cursor again. Okay, now give a try. Yes, right? So this one is initialized from here. The width and the height is match parent. Okay, now let's get rid of that so we can focus on drawing something. Okay, let's draw a square. Okay, so we need to override on draw method, and to draw something we need two things. One is the canvas provided by the system, the platform. This one is about where and what to draw, like draw a rectangle, draw a line, and we need to create another object, paint. Okay, so paint is about how to draw, right? What color to fill, right? To stroke. So paint equals, let's create a paint. That. Now we can set the color of the paint, like set color. Is there like set fill color, set the color? Okay, so this one, and color dot, is there like light gray? No, gray. Yeah, oh, this is light gray and dark gray. Let's use this light gray. Now let's try to use the canvas to draw a rack. Okay, so we need to provide our left top, like this one, left top, and left top. What is this one? It's bottom, and left top, right bottom. Okay, and the paint. Yeah, so let's put it left 100, and top 200, and the right is 100 plus, let's say 70, and here is 200 plus 70. Our square side, right, is 70, and the paint, our paint. We because the data type is float, right? Wow. So it complains about the data type. Let's put it here. Is that okay? Oh, so we don't need all of them. Just give it a hint. What's wrong with here? Yeah, the canvas is nullable, so we use that. So if it's null for whatever reason, then this line will be ignored. Okay, why is use the setter method instead of use property sets? What about that? Okay, oh, this, okay, that's called setter. Now let's try it. Nice, it's so cool. I think we can define our the cell side, right? Scroll cell side, the data type is float, equals 70 is too small. What about 130 f? Okay, so now we can use this guy here. I think we can make this one like that. Okay, so we have one of them here. Now this time it should be bigger. Okay, what about the other one? Let's make a copy of this guy. Oh, ooh, this time. So you see, by default, draw rectangle, it fills the rectangle. It's not like a stroke, it's sides, it's 4 sides. That's what we need. Okay, so if we want to do to draw a like empty without filling, we need to set something like that. Let's give it a try. Okay, where is my cursor? Oh, here. We need to do something like a paint dot set no, we don't need to set style, right? Style equals paint dot style dot stroke. Stroke like that. This way. Okay, let's try it again. Even though we don't need that, but maybe oh, very, you see, very dark square here. Okay, now we don't need that because by default it's fill like that, right? Fill, yeah, fill and the stroke. What about this fill and the stroke? Let's try this one just for fun. Same. Because we are using the same color here. So we don't need that. Let's draw another one, make a copy of this. Actually we need to do give it a different color, like dark gray. Okay, so the next one will be its neighbor, right? Dark gray. So here will be left will plus 1 times cell side. Is that okay? Try it. So we draw a rectangle. Oh, we also need to update the right. This is not the width. Yeah, so we need to add 1 here, so it will be 1 plus 1 here times cell side, like that. So we can duplicate, right? Repeat this 4 times we can repeat this 4 times to make a row. Okay, for I in 0.3, right? Like that. So we can modify. Okay, now this time we need to left. I think we don't need the F now, because we can use here I times cell side, and here is I plus 1. Yeah, here I plus 1. The step will be so here is 2i. Yeah, 2 times I, 2 times I. So let's try it to make sure the light gray works. Yeah, the algorithm works. Okay, I think we can use more room here. Okay, and so we'll do the same thing for here, 2i plus 1. Okay, so 2 times I plus 1, like that, and 2 times I plus 2. 2 times I plus 1 and plus 1, so it's plus 2. Okay, okay, it's big enough, so let's define what is the complaint. Convert property initializer to getter. What is that? No. Private final. Let's define our origin X and origin Y. Origin X, the top left of our of our game board. So let's do X. What about just 10? Y. Let's use still 200. Okay. So we'll replace this guy with 1. That's the X. Here is the origin X, and the Y thing will replace this guy. And here. Okay, so wow, the 10 is so okay, so I can increase the 10 to I think 20. Try it. Yeah, it's almost right. It's almost evenly divided on both. Yeah, then the margin is even. Now let's repeat this 4 times. Okay. So we need to repeat this guy 4 times. So I could be, I is actually okay. So let's just use I here. For J in 0.3 like that. So we can put this guy inside. So this time we'll adjust the Y part. Okay, origin Y plus 2 times I times the cell side, the top. Yeah, so the same thing for here, and so here is okay. Replace this one, but now we need to add one more plus 1 like that. Okay, make a copy of that and put it here. Okay, we should have 4 rows of that. Now let's run it. What? I made a mistake. So yeah, I know why. What is the mistake? I should use J, right? Not I. So this is J instead of I. J. Yeah, it's now try it again. Okay, so now we need another 4 rows. So we'll draw, we can make a copy of this guy. It's not long enough. Let's make it, wow, it's such a long line here. Let's make a copy of this guy and put it here. So this time we'll push this one to the right, right? So we'll draw this guy here. So we'll add 1 to this guy, add 1, and yeah, that's it. And we'll draw another one here, and we'll remove this, right? And here -1. So the black one we'll start from here, the black one and the black one and the black one, and the gray one was like, okay, hopefully it works as expected. Nope. What is wrong? Yeah, so we need to do +1 for the row, okay, like that. So here we need to add another one, so 2. Let's try this. Still no. We can comment out this, right, to check what are they, our new rectangles. Light gray, that's coming out this one, and try it again. Oh, nothing. This doesn't make sense. IJ. Oh, I forgot to add 1 here. So this is 2. Yes, very good. So I think I made the mistake. Here, yeah, we need to remove this one too, just like what I did here, right? This guy. Now try it. Oh, sorry, we do need this one, and okay, that's not quite right. It should be here. It should be here. This guy should be here. Okay, so we need to add, oh, the Y thing, we needed to add 1 here. Now it should work. So add another one here, push down by 1 place. Good. Now we can uncomment the original half of the squares. Finally, we have what we expected. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time.